Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to create a trading Discord, only way. Start by defining your niche and rules before inviting members. Create clear channel names like signals, chat, and resources. Set role permissions to protect sensitive channels and schedule regular moderation reviews. Use pinned posts for key rules and a welcome message that explains paid tiers and free access. Keep communication transparent and enforce rules consistently to build trust and growth. Begin with a clean channel layout and a pinned guide for new members. Use role colors and permissions to separate moderators, paid subscribers, and guests. Integrate a trusted bot for moderation, anti-spam, and automatic welcome DMs. Add a channel for updates and scheduled events to keep members informed. Regularly audit permissions and remove inactive roles to maintain security and clarity for all participants. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book that changes how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs surprisingly well with building a trading community because clarity about money mindset helps every trader. Check the description for the link and other deals, and snag it if it helps your journey. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on delivering predictable value through structured learning and reliable signals. Offer tiered subscriptions with explicit benefits like exclusive channels, mentorship, and recorded classes. Run occasional free webinars or Q&A sessions to demonstrate expertise and convert members. Use polls and feedback channels to refine offerings and pricing. Track retention and churn, and reinvest in content and bots to scale the community responsibly while keeping trust intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.